I want to quickly do demand and supply, so I'm not supposed to do introduction to demand and supply. If you have done it, so I just want to touch on one or two aspects. The part that is in my mind now, as I'm speaking, before I do any other thing, the one that is in my mind first is elasticism. Elasticism. Everybody interprets this and give me the answer. I will write it and give me the answer. My first question is 500 naira. Just stand up and give me the answer. Question number one. Question number one.
How is rest?
Don't write. What's the answer? What's the answer? What is the answer? I say, what is the answer? Inelastic demand. Any other person? I know you know this because I've coded this for you. What's the answer? When a lesser change in quantity leads to a greater change in price. What does it mean? Okay, let me write it. Let me write it. Look up. One is like this. What's the answer now? From elasticity. Is what? Elastic. Cross that. Cross. Say what? Hello, look up. I'm trying to finger your brain. Please, under elasticism of demand, there are three major types. What are they? Price of demand, have you? Price of demand, have you? And price of demand. Very good. These are the three. 1, 2, 3. Now, under the first one, price elasticity of demand, we have different types. The different types are inelastic. Let me start with this. Perfectly inelastic. Inelastic. Elastic. Unitary. And elastic, and then perfectly elastic. I'll just explain them one after the other. This is exactly what I want to explain. I'm trying to figure somebody's brain. So, the first one I will explain is this. Please pay attention. The first one I will explain is this. I'll explain this one first. But before I explain that, I'll ask questions before I explain it. I like the situation whereby when I'm teaching you, you are getting the answer wrong. If you are getting the answer wrong, it means I'm teaching. But if you know everything that I'm here to teach you, it means you're not here to learn. But there's nothing new. So my first question for you, because it will be very good if I fall your first, and now so that you know that you don't know it. So enough that you know that I'm teach you. Does it make sense? So question number one. This question goes to Moin. A vertical price elasticity curve implies that the commodity is dashed. What's the answer, Moin? Inelastic. Okay. Who is the answer this question? Follow elastic. What are the economic students here? What's your name? What's your name? Allow me what the answer. Unit 3. Use the economic student. What's your answer? Tell the economic student here. You. What's your name? Oluwaku, what's the answer? Elastic. Emmanuel, what's the answer? Perfectly elastic. What's the answer, bro? See, even the economic student, economic department, they got it wrong. What's the answer? Okay, those who say perfectly inelastic are correct. That Wilson, Emmanuel, and what other guys do. Now listen, what it means is this. Please pay attention. What it means is this. A version, it means that it is going this way. Like this is the meaning. This is your curve. This is your curve. So I'll give you a little analysis. Like for example, the quantity demanded is 1,000, while the price is 100. Example. The price fall to 50. That's from 100 to 50. The price fall. The quantity demanded is 1,000. If I want to put this on a curve, I'm going to have something like this. I'm going to have something like this. Please pay attention. Then the price is falling from 100 to what? In this case, is that there is no change in quantity demanded. It means a change in price brings no change in quantity demanded. It means a change in price leads to zero change in quantity demanded. That means even though they reduce the price from 100 to 50, the quantity demanded remains constant. And if you want to draw your curve goes this way, like this, like this. This tells you that the commodity is perfectly inelastic. If the price of salt is now reduced or is now very cheap, will you increase your consumption of salt? No. It means that product is perfectly inelastic. A reduction in the price will not necessarily bring an increase in the consumption and the quantity demanded for that product. And as such, that product can be described as perfectly what? Inelastic. And the curve is vertical. That's where you have in this case, something like this. Now, usually, the coefficient of the elasticity is said to be 0, and the product is perfectly inelastic. Now, if you solve this idiot, you will still get 0. If you solve this idiot, you will get 0. Yes. Come to you. It's not really inferior. It's elastic to that product. Most of the times, the change in price, the fall in that price, may not necessarily make me to increase my purchase of them. You have something to say?
No, I was going to say you should please let me explain the signs.
The sign. This sign is called delta. It means change. Change in price implies, this is a sign for implies. It's my type symbol. Leads to, so a change in price leads to 0 change in quantity demanded. A change in price leads to 0 change in quantity demanded. That means it brings no change in quantity demanded. Class, let me solve this idiot and so that I'm going to get 0. Please look at this. Based on this particular table, please everybody look up. I'm talking about elasticity of demand. Now there are two methods you can use to solve it. They call the point method and the arc method. The point method and the arc method. The point method is given as this. Price elasticity of demand is equal to change in quantity divided by change in price, point which represents multiplication, P1 divided by pure 1. Something like this. Now, what is the change in quantity? That's to say, the second quantity, which is the new quantity, minus the old quantity, pure 2 minus pure 1, divided by P2 minus P1, multiplied by the take this idiot up, then bring this idiot down. When I look now, ah, my God. Somebody is not following, somebody is not understanding. This is the formula. And the formula comes with a negative sign. If you don't know the negative sign here, you can use modulus. Modulus takes away the minus. So I'm going to have something like this. Change quantity divided by change the price. Dot P1 divided by pure 1. You got to change the sign to the road. This is just simple. Now, this change in quantity means the change in the quantity. Look up somebody. Look up somebody. This is the quantity. So I'm solving from 100 naira to what? To what? 50. And that's I'm coming down. Please, if you are solving from 50 to 100, it's different. You can never get the same. It's not going to be the same. You get my point? If it's the same, it's coincidence. Now look at this. We are solving from 100 to 50. So what is the first quantity? When I talk now, first quantity, pure 1. Second quantity, pure 2. First price, P1. Second price, P2. Look up. So what's my pure 1? What's my pure 1? 1,000. What's my pure 2? 1,000. What's my P1? When I talk now, what's my P2? 50. Very good. I have done the analysis of what I have here. Now, let me insert at this point. The change in the quantity is the new quantity minus the old quantity. Guys, what's the new quantity here? 1,000. What's the new quantity? 1,000. What's the new price? 50. Because we are moving from 100 to 50. So the new price is 50. What's the old price? 100. Please what? Very simple, idiot. Now look at this place now. I'm going to solve like this. So from here, this minus, this is it. This, open your bra. Open your bra. Pure 2 is what? 1,000 minus what's pure 1? 1,000. When I talk now, 1,000. Then divide by, what do you call this thing? Divide by. Say divide by, what's P2? 50. Minus, what is P1? Multiply by, take this idiot off, Abi, which is P what? P1. Divide by, what is it? Bring this idiot down, 1,000. Oh yeah, you now press the number thing. This one, this one. 0 divided by what? Minus 50. Oh yeah, press your neighbor. 100 divided by, oh yeah, that will give you this minus this is open your bra. 0 multiplied by this. 0. Oh yeah, minus 50 multiplied by this. Minus what? 50,000. Oh yeah, let's go. This divided by this is what? This minus. This minus is outside, this is it. Then the next minus 0. 0. When you press the constant out. Minus what's the final answer? 0. So you can see that at the end of the day, we got what? 0. It tells us that when a change in price, either up or down, brings no change what demanded, the commodity is partly elastic and the coefficient of the elasticity of demand will give you what? 0. So in exam question, nobody might do this long stuff to solve. Look at an exam question. When the coefficient of price elasticity of demand is 0, the commodity is dash. A elastic, inelastic, partly elastic, partly inelastic. What's the answer? This is what you have. You need to know it. Not about it. It's not as if you are thinking or you are trying to guess. You know it. When the coefficient of price elasticity of demand is 0, the commodity is what? Perfectly inelastic.
The formula old quantity minus new quantity over old price minus new price times 100 over 1.
Okay.